What's up y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, then welcome. So for today's video we are going to DIYing my jeans and I'm going to bleaching my jeans today. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this video is because I saw this girls on TikTok the other days that she bleached half side of her jeans. So I thought that it would be really cool and fun if I filming myself doing this. Okay, here's my jeans, right? And what I wanted to do is I wanted to bleach like half side of my jeans and I wanted to bleach like this side of my jeans. So I just put this in a bag, like tape and like contain this part and then bleach this part. Okay, so if you are doing this, make sure to have mask and gloves on to convert your skin from toxics in the bleach. So yeah, and if you have a spray bottle, you can pour some bleach into the spray bottle so that it will be easier for you to control the liquid. Okay, so now I'm just gingerly spray the bleach to my jeans. So after an aghast moment of me with the bleach, I just feel like I almost passed out because of the toxic from the bleach, and I just got a headache really bad and I almost throw up just because of the bleach, like how affects the bleach to me. Like I feel like I am allergic to the bleach. But it's finally 4 hours. Now I'm going to go and check at the jeans and see how it's doing, because I just put it in the plastic bags and put it in the bathroom so that the smell doesn't go everywhere. So this is the next day that I'm filming this video, because y'all, yesterday was like the worst day I ever had in my life, because I had a headache and I almost passed out because of the smell of the bleach. It is so horrible and so terrible that right now I'm glad that I'm still sitting here and talking with you guys and sharing my experience doing this DIY. So after approximately 4 hours, I went to the bathroom and checked my jeans, and my jeans look kind of like yellowish white. So I feel like I should leave it on for half more hour, and I pour some more bleach to it, and then I wait for 30 minutes and then I go check that it again, and I just rinse the redundant bleach off of the jeans and just throw it into the wash machine, and then I take it out. And y'all, let me tell y'all, I don't know why other YouTuber can do this, but my jeans look horrible. The result is just unexpected. The color was good, but the quality of the side that I bleached was atrocious. You know what I'm saying? Like the texture was fraying and it's really easy to like tear it apart. You imagine the jeans, right? And you just like do this just like easy, it's like really easy to rip it off. So now I'm going to show you guys on the mirror what it looked like. Okay, so this is what it looked like after I take it out of the wash machine. And before, it does not look like this. It ripped all over the place, like I said, on the thighs part, and it's just so gross. And yeah, and look at the backside. It's the backside, I kind of like it, but yeah, this is what it look like when I take it out of the laundry room. And I feel like what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with another piece of jeans. Like I would like take my old jeans and cut it and then just like sew it, like cover like this part. Yeah.